Kim Kardashian's daughter Northwest and her friends arrived to her 9th birthday party in style. The Kardashian star posted a picture of her private jet on Tuesday, which was decorated with Camp North balloons and signs. Inside Kim Air, each seat had 2 pillows made to look like logs. Fake spider webs covered the aircraft ceiling. "This is amazing," Ayesha Curry commented on the slideshow, while longtime friend Simon Huck wrote, "Sign me up." Kardashian gushed to Jimmy Fallon earlier this month about North's spooky wilderness-themed bash, and Kourtney Kardashian posted outdoor shots from the festivities last week. In Kim's social media post, the makeup mogul gave glimpses of Kourtney's 9-year-old daughter, Penelope, and more guests wearing matching pajamas, rafting and playing outdoors. North and her friends each slept in their own beds decorated with deer heads and fake blood. "She's really into special effects makeup. She does really good wounds and scars," Kim, who is also the mother of Saint, 6, Chicago, 4, and Psalm, 3, explained to Fallon, 47, on June 21. She was taking classes, and she wanted to teach her girlfriends, with mannequin heads. Jessica Simpson's daughter Maxwell, 10, could be seen in Kim's party pics. The fashion designer, 31, revealed in April that the preteen was pals with North. "One of Maxwell's best friends is North," the Dukes of Hazzard star told Us Weekly at the time, noting that the Buds just recently played on a basketball team coached by her husband, Eric Johnson. "She is amazing," the actress gushed of Kim and Kanye West's eldest child. "She is amazing. She is a great kid, and she will be a part of a change in this world." Simpson went on to praise the Kardashian-Jenner family for staying the same amid their fame, calling them powerhouses. "I'm like, I don't know how y'all could do this all the time. I could only last 3 seasons, on Newlyweds, but they're so open," the open book author explained. "That's really hard to do."